Tiaquich! My name is Julia and I'm the founder of DUINE. DUINE offers wellness gift boxes that are created as a self-care rituals inspired by Irish nature, Irish culture and of course the Irish language. Gaelic is very much present in all the aspects of the business, so starting with the brand. The name DUINE means human or person, and it very much encapsulates the idea behind the business, which is to create a self-care ritual to come back to yourself. The names of our collections are Forish and Blob. We offer guided meditations in Irish. We encourage our customers to use Cúpla Foca in the gift messages. We also encourage our customers to leave reviews in Irish so people can actively engage with the language throughout the platform. Galway for me is a bilingual city and it inspired the brand. It was through people here that I fell in love in Irish language, and it's my way of giving back and honouring that lifestyle, the people that live here and the culture that I fell in love when I first came here 15 years ago.